Hey, what's up everybody? It's Monvlog here once again. So right now I'm here in Victoria Memorial Garden, just hanging out here and there, trying to get some fish. Hey, what do you mean by that? I mean, trying to talk to some random girls and, maybe like make friends with them and get their phone number and just, what I mean. How do you say I love you in Bengali?
I don't know.
What?
I'm from Patna, Bihar.
You are from Bihar. What about you? Bengal. So what did you say?
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি।
No, like, tell clearly, no?
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি।
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি।
তোমাকে
what is? আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি। Okay.
No, Assamese.
Assamese. How do you say in Assamese I love you? Huh? Moi tomong bolpo. Yes or no? Are you still single or you are already in relationship? Single. And you? You are in relationship. Okay. You are single, right? So what would you say if I tell you to be my girlfriend? Just for 1 minute only. I mean just 1 minute. Friends. Okay, so the camera is too heavy, everyone knows about it, like your parents, brothers, sisters.
Only a few people.
Only few people. So okay. You speak Bengali, right? Hindi. What about Bengali? You know a little bit?
Yeah, we know Bengali.
Okay. So how do you say I love you in Bengali?
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি।
What?
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি। আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি।
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি। Okay. You know what? Let me go to that a quiet place to talk to you about the special thing in this beautiful garden over here. As I've told you, like by the name itself, Victoria Memorial Garden. It's cool about it. Let's. You feel shy of camera.
But why? Why are you asking?
I just want to ask one question from you. What motivates you to do morning walk?
Morning walk is good for health.
Good for health. And then?
That's it.
That's it. And what is the best thing that has changed in your life since you start morning walk?
Get up early in the morning is very good for our body.
Okay, and especially for our mind, right?
Especially for?
Our mind.
Mind.
Yeah,
yes.
the way we think, the way we talk, the way we think
Yes.
in our daily life, right? So that as you could see that there are a lot of trees over there. There are lots of trees, like it's like in forest only, and even this side also, like I don't know what to say, man. Like it's a big place, and there are a lot of trees, and in behind the trees, like behind of every trees, there is a couple sitting together, sleeping together, and kissing together. I was shocked to see that, and the cool thing about this place that where you could see there are a lot of old couples sitting together, kissing life together. I mean, I know what to say, my man. They are not feeling shy of what people think about them, what people talk about them. They just do their job, like kissing in front of. Luckily, it was here in Kolkata. If it was in Shillong, then everyone was gone, my man. Yes or no? Right. I'm not learning, I'm just trying to explain you guys. I'm just trying to explain to you guys for what I have, seen by my own eyes, right? Okay, guys. This is the only video that I have for you here in Kolkata. You know what? Actually, this is the two reasons that make me to didn't get any good video out here. The first one is that I have no cameraman. I am alone. It's kind of like it's difficult for me to vlog, or it's difficult for me to do a prank video. And the second reason that I have is that yesterday whole day I do nothing. I just roam here and there and clicking photo. The reason is that I lost my microphone. This is the one, right? I was supposed to talk with this microphone, but unexpectedly, it's fall down there in the zoo. There in the zoo, Alipur Zoo, so for the whole day I keep searching for it, and when I found it, it's already 6 p.m. I think in the evening. So I have no video yesterday, and today I just try to get a little bit by going to a stranger and talk to them here and there, especially in this Victoria Memorial Garden over there. So right now I'm here in the big ground over here. I don't know what is the name of this ground, by seeing these players playing football here and there, it's make me to think that this is the main reason why Kolkata is good in football. Okay guys, this is the only vlogs that I have for you. I hope you enjoy it. If so, just give it a thumbs up. Right, so that's all. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.